You love the rustic log cabin look, but you don't want to maintain the exterior of your home every 3 to 4 years. Maintenance can be very costly and time-consuming. You've got better things to do. And other building materials, such as vinyl, fiberboard, and concrete, aren't the solution either. What's the solution? TruLog, a maintenance-free steel log siding that preserves the authentic log cabin look while eliminating maintenance, saving you time and money. Even better, TruLog steel log siding comes with an insulated foam backing for better insulation value and impact resistance. Our steel is forged in the United States to a thicker 26 gauge, providing durability and protection for your home. The paint coating is UV treated and comes with a 30-year warranty, so you know it's going to last a long time. Visit our website today to download our product catalog and learn more.